Have you noticed that Canva just added something totally new inside Elements? There's now a 3D section, and it's not just for show. You can rotate, resize, and even design your own 3D objects right inside Canva. In this video, I'll show you how to explore Canva's new 3D library, how to use these models for your social posts, presentations, and videos, and how to create your own 3D elements using Magic Media. Let's open up a blank canvas and see what's new. On this blank canvas, we can go into elements, and once you're in there, you can see that there are a few new things here. The categories have been organized into icons, and there's this new 3D icon here. So when you click into it, you can see a whole bunch of new 3D icons. So when you click into it, you can now move it in 3D like that. And there are a whole bunch of other categories. If you want to use this one, you can also change the dimensions however you want. Some of the use cases for this is for social media posts, presentations, videos and intros, website, logo and branding. And these could be used for educational contents too, because now you can demonstrate things more easily having a 3D model. So let's say you have a globe, you can now turn it around for educational purposes, explanations that you need to do. There's also this globe, I think would work really well in a classroom setting, just seeing how everything is orientated on Earth. And let's say you're doing some biology sessions, you can also use this giraffe, move it around, talk about it in an entertaining presentation. And as you can see here, there's a huge array of elements for you to choose from. You can even search in here for that you might not be able to see. So you can search for camera or a tree, and it will pull everything up for you. This library has around 10,000 curated 3D elements, so there is plenty for you to choose from. But let's say there's something here that is not available. You can go to Magic Media, and here you are able to make your own 3D element. As you can see in this new tab, it's a new 3D tab, and you can describe what you want, and Canva can generate this. Let's say you're looking for a pair of shoes that are not available in the library, so you can create your own, and let's try that ourselves. Pair of shoes, green with a red bow on top. Shoes style. This is really random, but let's see what it comes up with. I mean, this is not running shoes, but it did take my prompt and make some shoes, a green shoes with red bow. So I'll give it that, and it can generate what I asked it to do. Now I have a custom 3D element to use. And let's say you just want to make something cute. Let's say you want to create a teddy bear with it holding a jar of honey. We can probably create that in 3D. So let's try a brown teddy bear, a jar of honey. So this is our model, and it looks pretty cute. So it just shows that you can make anything that comes to mind, and you can create a 3D model for it. I hope this tutorial helped, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!